Hello guys, and today we are going to be playing Zombie Attack with the boy over there who doesn't want to show his face. Sean Harris.
Yeah, I'm gonna just bring him to this dude.
You saw him once, probably. And look at me, I'm a noob. Just kidding, I'm not a noob. I'm just a bacon. Bacons aren't noobs. Bacon are family. Bacon are family. We should just all have his hair.
Change your hair to the bacon if you support.
Sean. You don't support? I already am bacon.
Technically is the bacon hair. Just longer.
No, you're not a true bacon. Do you see this? No! Get out of your profile! You need your profile. Hello, neighbor. Hello, neighbor. Hello, neighbor. Hello, neighbor.
Oh, hello there.
Hello, neighbor. Hello, neighbor. Hello, neighbor. Hello, neighbor.
I hit those.
I have a whole
Gucci
blue.
bag. Hey.
And then I want to copy that.
Are you not in the game yet? Nope, I'm not back up.
No. This is how you get hacks in RV World. Hack clues. You go with the mouse, copy link. Copy link. I'm not trying to hack. I don't know how to hack.
Back
It's
away,
like
back away,
my
back away,
first
back away.
time trying
Back away,
to
everyone
hack.
back away, everyone back away.
Back to me. Back to me. Oh, my neck hurts. Time to play Zombie Attack with my boy right here.
Hey, wait, where's the camera? Why can't I see it? Why can't I see this? So it's only on you?
On this screen, But on the other screen.
On the Roblox screen?
Yeah, like on the screen. Like, right now we can't see you. Now we can see you. Now we can see you.
I killed him!
Look. So it doesn't look like, it's easy. Let's do easy.
Oh, I see.
Revolver.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
It's trash. Hey,
How did I just kill that?
Just keep going. Alright, hit the orange button, child. I'll protect you. Go buy a gun. Buy the Uzi. The Uzi's the best thing. Oh, you can't buy it, you don't have enough. You don't have enough. Look at this! This is the best game. This is the best kind of game. Oh, I got it.
What's my pistol power?
You just need 600, Shiloh.
I'm better at this. No! I'm frozen! I'm just spamming everywhere.
Oh, look at that.
I'm just
Shiloh,
running
watch
away.
this. I'm about to explode you.
Sand monster!
Ready? I'm about to explode this monster.
I'm gonna kill someone with a pistol egg.
How much money do you have?
339.
I have 3,000.
Nice. Who is shooting at me? Shoot at me again. There we go.
I'm on fire right now.
Die, alien! I'm killing so many people with a
Watch
revolver.
this. Come here.
Oh, get a grenade!
Grenade! I got one of the best ones on me right now. Oh, that's a guy.
Oh, I see it. Whenever it's someone big, I throw a grenade.
I'm level 3.
Whenever it's something epic, like an angel, I'm gonna throw a bomb.
There's a boss in there.
Or just something epic.
invisible!
I see you.
Oh, I see.
I see you.
Look, zombies.
You're right here. Cause your gun. Well,
Oh, someone already picked up.
remember that last time when they could see you? Cause your gun was out.
I'm going to
Ooh, it takes
spraying them from here.
a.
It's a tank. If it's a zombie, that's an actual person.
What is?
Like an actual player playing the gloves. Alright, I thought you went upstairs.
Stop me.
Oh, how is that? Someone stole my kill.
Protect me.
Yeah, clear. Which one did you have? You don't have enough. You just need 600. I'm saving it. Oh, get him. Get him. Oh, yeah, I will let you get that kill.
Oh, I see someone big.
Yeah, go get him. Let's go.
I'm gonna throw a grenade.
Not yet. Where you die?
Or just
Nah,
shoot
boy.
it.
To the left, to the left. Nah, boy.
I made
Oh,
a
someone
fall.
behind you.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they come right at him. He throws a bomb. Yay, level 4. That's my grenade. Give me this grenade. No, stop it. Set up. I want my grenade.
I'm on fire. I need help.
Please. Oh, slime's easy. I'll just kill.
You have enough.
No, I don't.
500 seconds. My car.
I kill people. I kill ordinary, stupid, ugly aliens.
What?
Don't think aliens.
Hey, I got a grenade. Good job. Wait, how did I
Oh, the big
You
tank!
have to have that.
Nope. Not yet. What's this? Eat that! Okay. Eat that!
There's such a thing as a fast zombie. A fast alien. I'm shooting at you right now.
You can't see me. Nothing can see me. Oh.
Hey, I'm invisible! Oh no, we're at the boss. It's a. Oh shoot. Just keep spraying him.
Spraying who?
The boss.
No, I'm gonna hit him with a grenade.
Just hurry up. He's not gonna die for this.
I missed.
Ah! Ah!
Then, if you miss, you know what to do. Hit a stun grenade.
Stun grenade. Throw the stun grenade at him. The stun grenade.
Okay, I have nothing else. Look, it's a
Look at his
zombie.
health going down. Bro,
What's
I'm
that?
not even shooting him. That's a problem. I'm the only one shooting him.
Oh, there. Oh, that's it. Hi. Good morning. I don't care. Dumb. You're dumb. You're dummy. I'm a dummy too, but like, you're even
You
more
were
dumb.
recording for 10 minutes.
I've been recording? Oh, I forgot. Here you go, you dummy, you dummy, you dummy.
They don't have to say
I get my knife and I slice your butt.
Let me see my knife.
Hacha, hacha, hacha! 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 Oh, no, it just happened. Did anyone see?
Loud.
Got him. Like, just hit him.
Just keep hitting him. I hope she got it.
Follow the big king.
He's eating everything.
Yes, yes, you guys.
Ah! Ah! Oh, wait.
What technique?
You got 600. 600. This one's 600 too. I can.
Ooh, I just got more than 600. Man, oh God!
I'm going to get like the worst knife. I don't care. I'm going to get a trash snake. Snipers are so bad.
I'm a zombie. Please don't kill me. I'm like the only zombie.
Yep. When you die, you're only a zombie. You're not an alien. Aliens are better.
So do I just walk up to people?
Oh, come up here. Yeah. You don't have a sword or
I'm gonna help you.
How?
I'm gonna step in front of all of these stupid.
Yeah, you're not as big as the angels.
No,
The angels.
die you zombie, die zombie. Here, take these.
Invisible. They
Take
can't see me.
that.
Alright, they can still see me.
Doesn't really matter. Let's spectate someone. No, I hate that person. Oh, look at you! Oh, you're beautiful.
Ah!
I love the donut clothes I gave you. Uzi!
Of course.
It's called Beef. Who played this game?
Stop. Are you watching? I'm gonna go look again.
They can't see me.
You destroy the boss, which is so easy. You just get a bunch of money. Sorry.
I just zoom in. I
I got super speed.
Kill them. Yeah, kill them.
Demon. Is the angel on the demon? I haven't seen a demon. The demon's trash, too. You like that gun, right?
Yeah, you just step up and walk back. Ankles! And it made him fall. By falling and die. Okay. Go around. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.
Oh, really?
If you're still watching, I don't care.
Dang, shallow.
Just keep
Alright. If we defeat this guy, we automatically win. I mean, we automatically get a bunch of money. Ah!
Please protect. Actually, the video's not over until, you know what? Thank you for watching. Have a good day. And good night. Peace out.